Hi, guys.
Hi, Daddy.
Where are we?
We're at Harvest Day at the Stamford Nature Center.
Okay. Hi, Pete.
So they're very rustic. But they'll still obey the certain commands. They obey commands.
You can put a few more in there. Want some cider? Cut back. That's all right. You can take a look. Give you a turn on the crank in a moment.
So they're going to make apple cider.
How does it come out?
Well, watch and see. Freshly squeezed.
Came off of them.
Okay. Now turn his handle. Turn it like this. It gets kind of hard once in a while, so just be careful. Oh, wait. Forgot. Double start first. There we go. Now we're grinding up the apples.
They're cut.
Oh, and then you press them. There's big metal teeth in here to grind them up. And this goes down in the bucket, then we put the lid on and press the juice out. We'll do a couple of fillings of this and we'll squeeze them out. Who else wants to turn on the crank?
Squeeze it, guys.
See how much juice is coming?
Can you hold your cup under? Are you ready, guys?
Same thing, George.
I'm going to go get a cup of it.
As opposed to
You can fill your pitcher, didn't you?
Nothing. We are. You want?
Good, isn't it?
The oxen's been waiting here all morning.
Comes from the apples.
What?
That baby goes, see, that go on napkin.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Physically very easy. Mentally, maybe another story, depending upon how long.
The reed is the less underneath tie-off you have, and it makes a neater gel. Wait a minute.
Does he fly?
I don't know, ask him.
Do you fly? Did he say yeah?
I don't know, I think he's thinking about it.
And where is his mouth? I see his mouth. I see his mouth. He sing a song?
I know, ask him.
Can he sing some songs? Can he sing some songs? Can he sing some songs?
I don't know, sweetie.
Oh, sure.
Tucker, what do you have?
A corn.
Oh.
And the corn bob. What do I have on my corn? What do I have on my corn?
Butter. Butter's on your...
What's on
Okay, I'm fine. So you're going like this. You have to go straight. Like, you bend your knee and bend your arm at the same time.
Ready? Okay.
You have to wrap your arms around it. Put your hands lower. Now when you step, look at Peter. Tucker, look at Okay, I'll let go. Once you get up again, I'll let go.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Okay, now look at me. Joy. Still like that.
Yeah, you ate it all up.
Okay, let go.
Okay, now guys, I think we have to...